My name is Daryl Stevens. I work for the state of Maryland as a senior systems engineer. I work for the Maryland Department of IT, also known as Maryland DoIT. We were put together to be the primary hub for information technology for the state in 2008, and then we've grown since then, from supporting 3 agencies to now supporting the 30 separate state agencies. Agriculture, natural resources, budgeting, we serve all those agencies to help them carry out their mission to the constituents of the state. We had a small footprint at TierPoint, Baltimore, and we're like, hey, we have this project going on. We need this number of rack space. We have these power requirements. We have these HVAC requirements. And they just said, okay, let's do it. Right? No pun intended, but let's do it. That's how we really started our journey with TierPoint.
For the DoIT State of Maryland environment, we've done quite a few things for them to ensure that they have the best possible environment. We've helped them out with remote hands request as need be, whether it's during the middle of the pandemic or just in the middle of the night in general. We're able to have great partnerships with our customers, basically scale to anything that they need to accomplish, whether it's growing their cage space, adding additional power, additional network capacity, adding cloud, private cloud, public cloud, or any kind of managed services that they would desire.
We had this great platform that we're able to have via the TierPoint facilities that they can host all of their servers, their virtual machines and whatnot, their file services, all those critical IT services that an agency needs to function. We host that for them, and we do it very solidly with the environmentals and the colocation services from TierPoint. One of the things that we do is that we will bring prospective customers to DoIT into a TierPoint data center. And they decide from that point, are they going to host with DoIT or are they not going to host with DoIT? These are one of my favorite things to do because you can just watch their eyes just get wide as they go through the data center. And then ultimately we come back to the meeting room and they're blown away. The facilities just speak for themselves.
With the design that we have in place and the infrastructure we have in place and the maintenance that we do provide for the facility, we're ensuring that we have the best possible facility for our customers.
This obviously puts our auditors at ease and puts us at ease as well. Our auditors, on an annual basis, they asked us for a SOC 2 Type 2 audit of our data center. With that, TierPoint provides that to me every year. It makes my job as a government employee much easier just to be able to say, there you go, here's what our facility did, and it passed. The Pure Storage benefits that they've brought into our BaaS environment. We get immutability there with Pure Storage's safe mode snapshots. We're able to write to an all-flash storage array for our backup target. That's big. I mean, we never did this before. We always did spinning disk or tape. That in and of itself improved our restoration times. We went from 1 hour for a virtual machine to approximately 15 minutes. I've been with these guys for 10 years. From the time I walk in the door, they're always on top of things. If I ask, they are there and it's quick and they're happy to do it.
Our customers are the #1 priority. If we see a ticket in, we make sure that they know that we take care of it right away and we'll ask the right questions. We want to ensure that everything is handled properly, professionally, and timely.
Our customer experience has been outstanding each and every time that we interact with TierPoint. Whether it's their knock, whether it's their on-site knock, whether it's the sales team, they foster a culture of customer service and excellence. They're very helpful, they're on time, and they're talented. You don't just want customers, you want raving fans. And at DoIT, that's what we are at TierPoint.